Okay, good morning again, everyone. Today, I will be giving you online training for ZK BioCV Security. First and foremost, I would like to thank everyone for giving uh, time to attend and join this online training. And also, I would like to thank our sales team and technical team to make this training possible. Okay. I would like to introduce myself first. So my name is Vince. So I'm a technical support for ZK Teco Dubai. So again, I think most of you or most of the people that joined here are very familiar of our BioCB security. So I would like to share some presentation about this BioCV security, and then later on, I will be discussing the BioCV security visitor management module. Okay. So again, what is BioCV security? So CK BioCV security is a comprehensive web-based security platform with the adoption of hybrid biometric and computer system vision technology. Okay. It is the access control software that we're using today with ZK Tech. It contains different modules, multiple modules to that the user can utilize. Okay, we have personnel, access control, time and attendance, elevator, visitor, parking management, patrol, entrance control, and video intercom, as well as the intelligent analytics, locker, and system management and the service center. Okay, this is the sample of the dashboard of CK by Cybersecurity. I think most of you are familiar with this one, and I think most of you also are using this one for demo and for access control also. Okay, I would like to discuss a little bit of the modules on the description of each modules, but since this training is especially is specialized to discuss the visitor management, so I would like to discuss a little bit of the modules also. So one is personnel. It consists of three parts: the department management, the personnel management, and card management. So in department management, it is designed to set the company's organization chart. Okay. So in personnel management, is this is where the personal information and the departments and the sub-departments are found, and to maintain the manage personal settings. Okay, and in the card management, it's where you can see the different card parameters and configuration which you can utilize to uh, buy CV security. Okay, in access control module, it is where you can enable advanced access control functions, management of network access, control panel, and standalone devices via computer or unified personal access management. Okay, the access control system also sets doors opening, time levels, and for registration and for registered users. I mean, okay, time and attendance. Okay, it's where the administrators can manage the time and attendance of the persons. Okay, elevator management. It's designed to control the elevation access authentication to manage the access rights, where you can use RFID, fingerprint, and other biometric technology. Administrators can also set floor levels for each employees or each personals to achieve the staff management purposes. Next is the visitor management. It's the system that includes entry registration. We can also see exit registration and snapshot capturing of the visitors and other personnel that are allowed only on specific time and date. Parking management, it's the automatic and intelligent way to manage effectively and accurately and monitors the vehicles and all on the exits and entrances. Patrol guard, okay, this is the online patrol guard module where you can use a cost-effective way to accomplish patrol management. Entrance control. Entrance control is also same with access control, but they uses different kind of hardwares or the devices which are used for entrance controls, um, which enable full control of entrances and exits and automatic management. Video intercom is designed to centralize management and monitoring of all indoor and outdoor stations within the building by the control room administrator. It allows the administrator to access device status information, allocate access control permissions for door, stations, and facilities. Next is the intelligence analytics. So it focuses on analytics businesses and actualize the design concepts, such as enabling application data analysis, process management, and access control linkages. Next is the locker. So locker allows you to synchronize all data, online advertisements, and locker assignments to employees. It also provides real-time monitoring for locker occupancy and event records. The system management, user can see all the logs. The administrators can see the operation logs, management, and monitorings within the software. Service center, okay, that's all. Actually. This training is focused on visitor management, so I just gave some of the ideas for the modules of CK BioCV security. So I would like to share now the presentation about the visitor management and its uses, introduction, and application. So we have here is the Smart Visitor Management Solution. What are the contents of this presentation about the Smart Visitor Management Solution? We have the introduction, the application, and the products that are used for visitor management, and also the case studies that we have. First is the introduction. With the rapid development of social economy and mobility of all foreign kind workers and increasingly frequent, which give a lot of risk for the company. So smart visitor management solutions cover self-service reservation, visitors entrance control, and biometrics technology. So they use elevator controls, face kiosks, visitor data analysis. The smart visitor management solution is first safe, very reliable, and it is used for the improvement of high management level and the image of enterprises and institutions. So it is used for large group of companies, high-end properties, intelligent buildings, and all the entrances and exits that needs to be controlled. Back in the day, the traditional visitor management that we use is very unreliable and very, prone to risk mistakes. What are we doing that time back in the day? So we use for phone reservation and phone registration, manual check-in and phone notification. So that phone reservation and phone registration is very inefficient and fallible. So it is prone to mistakes. So sometimes while registering using phone, sometimes the registrator is making mistakes on your name or your details, something like that. So impossible and need for reception. So most of the time, the visitor management is, we all need reception to just to meet the visitors upfront. So on the manual record events, so it's very not smart to store all the manual record events. It's prone to mistakes and that's very inefficient. That's why we have the smart visitor management solution. So what we have here to solve those issues. So we have online reservation as registration, okay? And then we have the fast-paced verification using our face kiosk, using our access control devices, and our readers. Okay, we have the automatic system notification, which are used for visitors and also the administrator that gives authorization for the visitor to come inside the building or the premises. We have here also the entrance linkages. Meeting and system automatically generates a report after the visitor enters the premises. So the management solution or the system automatically generates a report that the visitor already entered or exits the building or the premise. It is very efficient, secured, it's very smart, and also paperless. So you can visit the system or the software each and every time that you want to check or to see the records. So the system architecture of the smart solution management first is the business layer. So as you can see, we have the elevator area, we have the access area, the office area, parking lot, and the front desk. Those are the entrance points and exit points of the visitor, which he or she can verify himself and so forth to capture the event if the customer or the visitor entries or exits. We have here the second layer or the application layer. So we have the visitor management, the access control management. So we use elevator control also for the elevator area, the parking management, and the office management. So the next layer is the device management layer, wherein it shows different types of devices that we are using in order to for us to provide the full visitor system management solution. We have these server platforms, box platforms, and the front end device layer, which we use for the verification or the authorization for all the visitors that comes in and goes out of our premises. So we have here the Elite series and Gate series or our gate barriers, the parking barriers or the parking series. We have here also the Office series or the Proface devices and our controllers. We have here EC10, EX16 and everything and face kiosk. So face kiosks are used for registration also and for entrance and exit. What we have here is the multiple ways to have a reservation using our smart visitor management solution. We have three ways to register our visitors. First is a walk-in. If somebody is wants to come to your office, so he needs to walk in, go to the lobby, and have an on-site reservation wherein he or she can use the face kiosk. Most of us are familiar with COVID, no? We have your temperature screening also. So we added here some verification for temperature in order for us to secure also not only the authentication of the personnel but also the health and safety of our employees inside the premise in order for us to achieve the maximum visitor management solution. So next is the visitor will fill in information, and that's the time he will or she will receive dynamic QR code which the visitor can use for check-in on our entrance control and elevator control and access control. The next way to reserve the visitor, walk in, go to the front desk or receptionist, fill in the health and declaration form for us to secure again the health and safety protocol, and he or she will get the dynamic QR code also from our software. So after registration with the receptionist or the front desk, he or she will receive the QR code, which again the visitor can use for checking in our entrance control, elevator control, and access control. The third ways to reserve for a visitor, if the visitor is still traveling or he wants to check in ahead of time or being late, so he or she can receive a visitor invitation email. He or she can scan the code for online registration. So for example, the visitor is stuck in traffic, so he wants to register or reserve, make a reservation ahead of time. So he can register using the online reservation, fill the health declaration form again for health and safety protocol. And then after approval, he or she can get the dynamic QR code again, which the visitor can use for checking in the parking space or the entrance control, elevators, and access control. So once the visitor is done with the meeting or the things that he needs to do, so after that he or she will leave and check out. Our software or the system will get the complete visitor list and also the records. You and the administrator or the visitor can visit the records happen on that day. Next is visitor management checkout. This is the way after the visitor has done inside the building, the meeting is over, something like that. So, for example, after 2 hours of visiting, the visitor leaves, or he or she will verify again or check out using the QR or the face that he used. In ZK by Security, it automatically sign out or timeout visit. We have three types of also of checkout. The visitor can check out using the QR again for the verification using the face kiosk or any access control device that are present on the building. And also if the visitor management has parking management also, the visitor can unlock the parking barrier using the visitor's license plate once it is recognized. After that, license plate of the visitor is deleted now on the software so that he or she cannot enter again on the buildings or the parking space. So if the visitor does not check out after the timeout. So for example, the meeting is extended after 3 hours, but the visitor only has 2 hours on the system. The message will be notified to the security guard or the administrator. The guards or the administrator can find the person or the visitor inside the premise and notify them that the time of visit is over. It depends on them to extend or make another reservation so that the visitor can still roam around. What we have here is the applications of the visitor management solution. So we have self-service visitor management. Now I will play a video about the importance or the application of smart solution management.
และแล้วก็มาถึงวันประชุมใหญ่ของพจน์แต่ก็ดันเป็นวันที่พจน์ตื่นสาย
พี่พจน์อยู่ไหนแล้ววันนี้มีประชุมกับท่านประธาน9 โมงพี่ลืมหรือเปล่า
พี่ตื่นสายสิไม่รู้มีใครจองห้องประชุมให้พี่หรือยัง
แต่ด้วยเทคโนโลยีของ CK Teco ที่จะเปลี่ยนชีวิตของพจน์ให้ดียิ่งขึ้น
ไม่เป็นไรพี่พจน์พี่ลงทะเบียนผ่าน CK Bio Security หรือยัง
แล้วพี่ต้องทำยังไงบ้างอะ
งั้นเดี๋ยวเจนส่งลิงก์ไปพี่กรอกข้อมูลเลยนะ
แล้วพี่ต้องทำยังไงต่อเนี่ย
เจนกด Approve ให้แล้วพี่พจน์เจนจองห้องประชุมให้แล้วพี่โค้ดใกล้ถึงแล้วยังท่านประธานกำลังจะคุยงานเสร็จแล้ว
พี่มาถึงโถงหน้าออฟฟิศแล้วคนรอแลกบัตรที่หน้าเคาน์เตอร์เต็มไปหมดเลย
เช็คอินผ่านเฟสคีออสสิพี่
เครื่องนี้เหรอแล้วพี่ต้องขึ้นลิฟต์ตัวไหนอะ
ลองดูที่หน้าจอ Profess X เลยพี่พจน์ท่านประธานกำลังจะเดินออกมาแล้วพี่อยู่ไหนแล้ว
จริงเหรอถ่วงเวลาให้พี่ก่อนได้ไหมเจนครับเจน
พี่พจน์
พี่ไปห้องประธานด่วนเลย
มัวไปทำอะไรมาทำไมมาตอนนี้
แล้ววันที่เร่งรีบของพจน์ก็ผ่านไปได้อย่างราบรื่นด้วยเทคโนโลยีไบโอเมตริกนวัตกรรมตรวจจับใบหน้าจาก CK Teco และนี่คือส่วนหนึ่งของ Bio Security ที่เป็นตัวช่วยในการจัดการบริษัทของคุณไม่ว่าจะผ่านแอปพลิเคชันหรือ PCคุณสามารถดูแลความเรียบร้อยในองค์กรของคุณได้อย่างปลอดภัย CK Teco ให้ชีวิตของคุณดียิ่งขึ้น
Okay, so based on the video, as you can see, the guy is running late for his meeting inside the building. So he's I don't know if it's his partner or his friend gave him access. So he registers the guy using the smart visitor management on our CV security, which gives the guy the reservation that he used to enter the premise using the parking barriers on the face kiosk. and also for the access control like the Proface. So this is the first application on the visitor management module. So we have here another video of the application for the smart visitor management solution. Came from ZK Teco USA, so shout out to them.
Manually processing visitors' arrival at your facility can consume your time and overlook health guidelines, putting your people at risk. ZK Teco is here to help. Introducing our FK1013 Plus face recognition kiosk that has the ability to verify a visitor's identity and scheduled appointment, ensure they have an acceptable skin temperature, and confirm they're wearing a mask, all while recording the entire process for auditing and reporting purposes. The process is simple. Prior to visitors arriving for their appointment, their host will send an invitation to their phone which contains a unique QR code. Creating the invitation is quick and easy. When the visitor arrives, they display their QR code to the kiosk. The kiosk then scans the visitor's skin temperature to ensure it's within acceptable range. If requested, the kiosk will also check to ensure the visitor is wearing a protective face mask. After the kiosk confirms the visitor's identity, appointment, acceptable skin temperature, and that they're wearing a mask, the visitor's ticket will print. Simultaneously, the kiosk notifies the host that the visitor has arrived and is permitted to enter the facility. FK1013 Plus makes the visitor check-in process 100% automated and touchless. It provides safety, security, and auditing while delivering greater peace of mind for facilities managers, employees, and visitors. ZK Teco, your security, our responsibility.
So based on the video, it's another application of visitor management solution wherein ZK Teco integrated it and make it more like because Corona happened, so we need to double check, or we need to um make sure that the visitors are having under the guidelines of health and safety protocols. So uh, we use also the visitor management solution to apply this kind of solution. So these are the software highlights. So I will just run through this one. So we have multiple communication methods. So we have email, we have Amazon SMS, WhatsApp, and Line. So we have also the dual server hot backup technology, facial recognition technology, which we use also for temperature verification, and scramble QR code analysis. So these are some of the hardware products that are used for visitor control management. For access control, we have readers, push button, exit button. We have the magnetic lock or electric locks, and controllers, and also the standalone devices that we're using. So we use that for visitor management also. So in elevator control, we have the Pro ID and EX16 for elevator management, and meeting room face kiosk. We have it. Okay. So in entrance of the building, so we have the gate barriers or the gate series. We have the standalone elite series also, and the QR code readers. With that, we have the face kiosk for generating QR codes for the verification later on. This hardware recommendation, you can ask our sales also if you have a visitor management solution requirement. So you can ask directly to our sales so that they can help you furthermore for all of your requirements. Okay, these are the case studies that we have using the smart visitor management solution. First is in Saudi Arabia or SEC building. As you can see, these are the entrance gates, parking lots, and entrance points. This one is in China. So we have a simplified court visitor process. We have integrated access control, visitors, and video, convenient personal data management. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, it is efficient, smart, and very reliable. In Indonesia, Arcadia Business Park, we have also some of the entrance gates, parking gates that we installed. So We are integrated also in by Hitachi, Kone, Mitsubishi, and Schindler. So the summary are it reduce the management difficulty that are very much requirement of each large companies or large enterprises or institution to enrich the management methods. Okay, it is more secured for the identification for foreign personnels or the persons that are not really employed on that company and the verify the identity throughout the system. Also, the construction of the system security measures to realize the linkage function between access control system, the gate system, the elevator system, and so on. It is used also to improve level of information technology, the construction of remote management and control mode. And lastly, it established data analysis mechanism to improve the overall management level. So right now, I will just share to you some of the videos that we have while using the visitor management on our BioCV security software. So first is the online visitor invitation and registration. So we have two parts, automatic and manual. The first is automatic. If you click yes, it will enable automatic registration. It will generate QR code. It can be downloaded or saved. For example, if you want to invite someone, just put your name and the email address of the person that you want to invite. Click OK. So once it is sent, so the person that is invited will receive an email. Okay. Where she or he can see the QR code, scan it or click the link for the online registration. Okay, so see, it's very simple registration. So after that, you can see the reservation audit. So it's been audited automatically. Meaning to say, the visitor can visit the premise without any auditing on the administrator. So using manual, you just click no for automatic review. So the same, just save the settings and invite again or invite someone. Send the email. So the person will receive the email again and they can see the link or the QR. And then again, we are having this registration. As you can see, it's been audited both, so manually and automatic. Okay, so that's how you give visitor invitation and registration also on the visitor's port. Now we have here the visitor automatic check-in using the access control terminals. So for example, the visitor already registered on the link or the QR code that's been given to him or to her using the automatic or the manual invitation. So the visitor will have automatic check-in. So I will show you a video about this one. it's an efficient way to check in if the visitor is completed on the verification online. Because you need to enable automatic sign-in. Click new. So you will just choose the access control that the visitor will use, or the visitor is allowed to enter. Okay, and then give again the invitation. Observation audit, so you can see the linkage area. So after that, so you can add access level so that it can give the access level for the visitor to come and enter the premise. So the visitor can register also his face so that it can be used on our access control devices. So just for registration details, okay, and start and end time. It's very important. So in visitor reservation, you can see also it's not yet visited. So after that, the visitor can use the QR code to check in. Okay. So just showing the QR code, the visitor can use that to verify using the access control control devices. So after that, the system will see that the visitor has already visited the premise or entered the building. He already checked in. Okay, so next one is the visitor check-in using the face kiosk. So for example, we have the face kiosk in our lobby or on our front desk. So that will the visitor can use. Visitor can check in using this face kiosk. So this allows contactless check-in because we're just using face kiosk. So we don't really need a front desk or reception. Using this one, it can be used for the visitor to check in inside the premise. So you need to make sure first that the face kiosk is added in the software. Okay, so you click new. Okay, and then it will be linked in visitor mode, management module. Okay, go to parameters again, and then enable automatic. So with that, the visitor can manually enter the premise or the building using the registered number. Okay, check in it. Okay, as you can see in entry registration, it shows the visitor already checked in or visited the building. Next one is if we have the reception or front desk, so what we have here is the visitor can check in on that using the front desk or the reception. We have here the printer so that we can connect the printer to our software, which we are using to print the details or the QR codes that will be used. Okay. So you can customize also the paper width. So it depends on the papers that you're using, so that the print will be okay or smooth or can be seen perfectly. So just put the details. Okay. So after that, you can see it's already checked in. So after that, it shows the prompt. So it gives the printed paper that the visitor can use to access all the devices that are inside the premise. So if he wants to go to elevator or inside the offices, it can be used. Okay, same way, put all the details on the captured photo. After that, you can see that the visitor already checked in also. So it will. So we check in with OCR scanner. Okay. So same way also, certificate recognition. So make sure that it's enabled, the OCR. So go to client registration, click new, client type, OCR visitor. So it will generate this one. And as you can see, it will give you the code. If you register it, so it will prompt again that the operation succeeded, and you can see on the entry registration again that the this employee will be checking. Okay, so if you click OK, it will show that the visitor is check-in. Okay, so that's 3 ways to check in on the reception. If the visitor already finished the job or the meeting inside the premise or the building, so the visitor will check out. So using the face kiosk, here's another video. Okay, so first of all, so you just need to make sure that the face kiosk is already registered on the software. so that it can be used. So you can click the employee and then exit registration. So see the employee already checked out. Method number 2, using a face kiosk. Okay. Go to face kiosk management so that you can add the face kiosk that installed on the building. So you need to make sure also the face kiosk is online or enabled so that it will be used for the visitor management to check out using the face kiosk. Okay. Okay, just need to register the face kiosk. Okay. Now it is showing on the parameters. You need make sure that it enables automatic. So you go again to entry registration and then click checkout on the face kiosk. So since the visitor choose manual entry, so he needs to choose also the manual entry. So after that, it will prompt thanks for visiting, and then if you refresh, the visitor will have checkout on the system. Okay. So this is the last video for you guys on the how to set visitor notification. So for example, the visitor needs to be notified if the time is over for the visitation, and also for the invitation that the visitor will get. So here you can see on how we configure the visitor notification in BioCB Security. Okay. So it is configured on system management. So go to entry registration just to test that the configuration is correct and working. Okay. The operation succeeded. So it will prompt entry, and the visitor will receive the email. Okay. Actually, that's the last part of my presentation with Smart Visitor Management Solution using the BioCB Security. I would like to thank again for participating and joining. So I don't want to have much of your time. So if you have like clarification and questions, you can send it directly to our sales personnel, sales executives, and then we will help to give you answers and solution as much as possible for those clarifications and questions. Again, I would like to thank everyone for joining and listening and watching to my presentation, and that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.